Today is a good day, my friends. We are going to be taking this beautiful 1965 Jaguar S-Type 3.8 out and about. Let's do it! Y'all may have noticed this lovely Lamborghini Gallardo right behind me. I will be following up this video with a video on that one because I am also going to be selling it, all right? It is a manual transmission, so you know that drive video is going to be so much fun. All right. I love old Jaguars so much. Just hurt my finger trying to get that camera on there. All right, let's take this 1965 S-Type for a spin. There we are. Because of course, safety first. You'll notice these rad Jaguar seat belts. Hey, here we go. Now we're in business. Instrument panel is awesome. If you looked at the spin around the car, it's got that kind of infamous pale banana yellow. I ought to look up the exact name of that car, of the Jaguar car paint that this yellow is, but it's fantastic. Come on, people. All right, you know what? All right, good. Every once in a while I'll take a car for a spin and I will not have checked if there is fuel in it, and we actually have fuel, so that's great. That light was just a little bit pink. So comfortable. There is nothing like driving in an old luxury vehicle. All right, my first car was a diesel Mercedes and I loved that thing. And that thing, not only was it a tank, so it was super safe for me to be driving around, but it was just like you're driving on a lazy boy. So this car is owned by one of our regulars, and he owns also the prior video I did of the Jaguar Mark II. If you want to see that video, just scroll down on my videos list. He owns that vehicle as well. Drives him pretty often. Really cool guy. Thank you, Clayton, for letting me drive your awesome Jaguar. Stoplights, what the hell? Good test on the brakes. Green light, keep going. So this is also lovely downtown Corpus Christi. You've just seen most of it, and now we're kind of heading towards the outskirts. guys, welcome to the glorious marina that is Corpus Christi, Texas. I stopped because this is the perfect place for me to take some pictures of this glorious 1965 S-Type 3.8 in front of the setting skies. Isn't it pretty? I know. So I remember when I first fell in love with it's different, but the first time I saw the front of a Jaguar was a Jaguar XK120, and that's when I knew what my first love was. So let's go ahead and take some photos of this awesome car, and then we'll get back to driving it. All right, it's so lovely, isn't it? Yes, yes, I love my hometown of Corpus Christi, Texas. They call it the sparkling city by the sea. So it's technically the bay. Just gonna say that. No whammies! All right. Let's go ahead and find another great spot for a photo. Whenever I'm driving somebody else's car, I'm a lot more nervous about whether or not somebody's going to stop at a stoplight. Comparison of this 65 S-Type 3.8, and also I'm going to do a comparison with the Jaguar Mark II, which that should be a lot of fun. Come on, little buddy, get going. Take your sweet time. I got places to be and fading sunlight as well. A lot of people just smile at you when you're driving this kind of car, and that is fantastic. All right, there's a specific mural I want to take us to. It's pretty awesome. And it's right up here. It's very, very Corpus Christi. It's very much my hometown. Ah! Glorious. Kind of one of our best murals here. Yeah. Then, of course, great photo opportunity for the Jag. So, the light is fading, and I guess we should just go ahead and take this bad boy back home, back to the shop, shall we? Ooh. You always see somebody you know in Corpus. Catching a lot of red lights. Over there is Rebel Toad, a really great brewery we have, local. you had fun, because obviously I did. This was like a blast in the past. I love it. Thank you again, Clayton, for letting me drive your fantastic Jaguar S-Type 3.8. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, everybody that's watching, well, please do so by clicking that button right down there, right? I have a lot of informal yet slightly annoying, but yet usually very informational videos about classic cars, antique cars, vintage cars, all my favorite cars, and then any car event I go to. So do subscribe and say some comments down below that are all nice if you say anything negative. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.